Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a small, gray drone that packs a 1080p camera. This little guy is designed with portability in mind, featuring foldable arms that make it easy to tuck away and carry wherever you go. The fuselage itself is made from high-strength engineering plastics, which means it's lightweight, but also built to handle a bit of resistance. The main highlight here is definitely the camera. It's a 1080p wide-angle lens, promising to capture wide, high-definition pictures and video. What's really neat is the Wi-Fi function. This allows you to connect the drone to an app on your phone, whether it's an app or APK system, and get a real-time transmission of what the camera sees. This means you can frame your shots and record video directly from your phone screen as the drone is flying. For flying, it comes with some user-friendly features. There's headless mode, which is great for beginners because you don't need to worry about the drone's orientation. It will move relative to you. It also has trajectory flight. You can draw a path on your phone screen, and the drone will follow that designated route autonomously. Altitude hold mode is included too, which is crucial for getting stable footage as it helps the drone maintain a consistent height. Controlling the drone is done via a 2.4 GHz remote, which helps prevent interference. It's a 4-channel system, giving you full control to ascend, descend, move forward, backward, fly left or right sideward, and even perform a fun 360-degree roll. Plus, it offers 3 different flight speeds that you can switch between, adding more excitement and allowing you to fly at a pace that suits your skill level or the environment. In the box, you typically find the drone itself, a battery, the camera, and the necessary charging cables, including both micro USB and USB Type-C options, along with a USB charger. Overall, this drone seems like a solid option for someone looking to get into flying or wanting a portable drone with a decent camera without breaking the bank. Its combination of a 1080p camera, easy-to-use flight modes like headless and altitude hold, and its foldable design make it quite appealing for casual flying and capturing some aerial shots.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.